Today we're going to open the toy from this bag. I have 4 bags today. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, let's start with the first one. I can feel it's big inside. What is something big inside? Are you guys ready to see it? I'm not going to open that way so you not see it yet. And oh, I can feel like it's something. What did we get? An elephant. Look at that gray elephant. This is elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Alright, we got elephant. Maybe we can see the giraffe and hippopotamus in all the bags. We'll see next. Next bag. Oh, I can feel something very small in there. It's hard to open, guys. I'm trying. Oh. Ew, this one. Oh, a giraffe. Yellow giraffe. You can see that? And we have some more in there. It seems like some cool stuff for streaming. They have video camera, sunglasses, and where's a hat? Oh, maybe we can put that on and put the sunglasses for the giraffe. And you ready, giraffe? We're gonna take a picture. We got your pictures. And let's go to the next bag. You think what is inside? We have hippopotamus, giraffe, and elephant. Hopefully we get something new this time. Oh my god! We got a lion and some accessory that we can use it. What is that for? Actually, maybe he can sit on the top of that bench. I have no idea. But I know, oh, it's a Lion King, guys. Oh, this one, no, it's for the necklace. I forgot to talk about the colors. What do you guys think this color is? It's orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And what is the necklace color for the lion? Is yellow. You guys see that? I'm sorry, I put a little below my camera. Oh, and then it has the vest too. Let me put some decoration on the outfit, actually, not decoration. Oh, and then he has this. Oh, I'm gonna put it right there. And, oops, see. Oh, you have to put one at a time. All right, here. This is the lion. That's so cute. All right, next bag. I can feel something big as well. Hopefully we don't get the same animals, okay? This is hard to open. I'm gonna tear this. I'm not able to. Okay. Oh my god, we got the brown monkeys. What brown monkey? And then we have a hat for the monkey. And we have a baseball bat. And the baseball. Look at the baseball. It's so cute. Alright, I'm gonna put some decoration for this, and we can see when it's done. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh, and then he can hold the baseball, and then he can hold the bat. Oh, the baseball will not stay. And he can hold the bat. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay, you can see that? Alright, today we have like brown monkeys, gray elephant, orange lion, and the last one is yellow giraffe. What animals do you guys like? Which animal do you guys like? Tell me about it. Leave me some comments, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share our videos. Bye. See you in the next episode.